Do you think you have enough camping gear? Rethink your mind. This movie explores 15 cutting-edge camping devices that will revolutionize your time spent outdoors. Any camper, hiker, or adventure seeker would benefit from these improvements, which range from solar-powered technology and incredibly efficient cooking tools to small survival kits and revolutionary lighting equipment. Whether you're going off-road or just into the woods, these essential camping tools will transform your exploration. Pay attention. Let's begin without further ado. Proper lighting is vital for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and nighttime tasks. The Oudask telescopic light combines a collapsible design with 12,000 mAh battery power, a 360 degrees rotating lamp head, a magnetic tripod, and a waterproof aluminum body. With adjustable brightness and versatile modes, it transforms into a flashlight, a table lamp, or a tripod light for any setting. Restful sleep is essential when camping or hiking to recharge for the next adventure. LiQWYD, the Nature Hike sleeping pad, offers ultralight comfort with an eco-friendly TPU core, durable outer layer, and multi-point support. It inflates easily with a bag, resists tears, packs compactly, and ensures comfort off hard surfaces anywhere. Outdoor time shouldn't be ruined by relentless mosquitoes. The Thermacell Mosquito Repellent Refills. Create a 15 feet scent-free zone of protection using a scientifically proven proprietary formula with no spray, mess, or DE. These long-lasting refills work fast, are easy to replace, and are compatible with all fuel-powered Thermacell repellents. Chilly nights demand reliable warmth without bulk. The Pution Merino Wool Blanket blends Australian merino wool with synthetic fibers for unmatched softness, thermal insulation, and durability. This large, odor-free all-weather throw is ideal for camping, travel, or home. Machine washable, tightly knit, and finished to resist fraying. Comfort meets rugged versatility anywhere you go. Capturing stunning aerial views demands stability, clarity, and intelligent control. The Holy Stone HS900 drone features a 48-megapixel 4K camera with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, 8K photos, and 4K at 30 frames per second video. With a 20,000-fit transmission, GPS AI follow me, quick shots, and level 5 wind resistance. It delivers pro-level performance that's beginner-friendly and reliable. Power outages and outdoor adventures demand a reliable energy source. The eHome Power Station delivers fast charging from 0 to 80% in 40 minutes with Nitro Go 600-watt tech, supports car and solar charging, and features a wide-angle anti-glare screen. Its IPX3 protection, BMS safety system, and pure SynWave output ensure durability and stability. Extended time outdoors demands protection and on-the-go power. The EF EcoFlow Power Hat offers 360-degree solar charging with dual USB-A/USB-C ports, a foldable and ultra-lightweight design, UPF 50+ wide brim UV protection, thermal to electricity cooling, and waterproof and dustproof durability. Ideal for hiking, fishing, and all outdoor adventures. Hot outdoor adventures or stuffy indoor spaces demand efficient portable cooling. The Boogerv portable air conditioner delivers 3,500 BTU of rapid cooling up to 10 feet with ultra-quiet 50 decibel operation, a 6-hour runtime, and 400 watts of efficiency. Its 5-in-1 modes, app control, built-in handle, and low-power use make it perfect for tents, vans, and camping. When showers aren't an option, staying clean and refreshed is still essential. The Clean Freak wipes offer natural soothing body wipes enhanced with aloe, witch hazel, and chamomile. Individually wrapped, textured for a deep clean, and available in great scents. They're perfect for workouts, travel, hiking, and life on the go. Flat tires can strike anywhere, making fast, reliable inflation essential. The Denvix Motor Exportable Air Compressor delivers 30-second rapid inflation powered by a 15,000 mAh battery and 65-watt PD 3.0 fast charging. With 4 light modes, a full-screen touch panel, and dual use as a power bank, it's ready for any situation.